Happy 76th Republic Day to all. Today we are celebrating the unity in India's diversity with a dish that brings everyone together. Idli, Sambar and Chutney. This South Indian classic proves that no matter where you are from, food has the power to unite us all. So, let's give a heartfelt salute to our Tiranga. Bharat Mata Ki Jai! Add 1.5 cup rice flour, half cup semolina or rava, half teaspoon salt. Mix all ingredients together. Add 1 cup curd or dahi, 1 cup water. Mix with the help of spoon. Add another 3/4 cup of water. Mix well to make a smooth batter. Make sure not to leave any lumps. To break the lumps, you can bring them to the edge of bowl and apply pressure on them. The idli batter must have this perfect consistency, which is not too thick or thin. Cover the batter and set aside for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, the batter is ready to use. Add half teaspoon of Eno fruit salt. This will make the batter frothy and our idlis will become fluffy. Not enough froth? No worries. Add 1 more packet of Eno to build up more froth. Now quickly apply oil on the idli molds and add 1 big spoon of batter in each part. You have to use our batter as soon as possible to lock in the maximum fluff. Steam the idlis for 10 minutes or until the skewer comes out clean when poked. I can never say no to soft idlis, crispy dosas and crunchy medu vadas. They are my happy trio. Everybody loves South Indian food, no matter where they are from. It's amazing how a simple plate of these yummy treats can bring people together. In a country as diverse as India, food like this truly shows that unity can be delicious. Add 1 tablespoon of oil, 5 dried red chilies, 3 garlic cloves peeled obviously, 1 small onion finely chopped. Fry it until it becomes golden brown in color. Add 10 curry leaves or kadhi patta. 1 big tomato finely chopped. Fry it for a minute. Add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half cup of tamarind extract. To make this extract, you have to soak half cup tamarind in warm water for 15 minutes. Add 1 teaspoon jaggery powder, 2 drumsticks chopped in small parts. You want to be able to eat them, don't you? 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix everything together. Add 1 cup of water, 2 cups of boiled split pigeon peas or tur dal. To boil this dal, add half cup tur dal along with 1 tomato, 1 onion, half teaspoon turmeric powder and 1 tablespoon of oil in pressure cooker and steam for about 15 minutes. Add 2 teaspoons of sambar masala. 1 teaspoon chili powder, which is completely optional. We like our sambar to be spicy. Put the lid on and cook for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, turn off the flame and add 1 big spoon of chopped coriander leaves. Stir to mix in the leaves. Add 2 chopped green chilies, 4 tablespoons of coriander leaves, 3 tablespoons desiccated coconut. You can use fresh coconut if you want. If you are willing to do the effort, add 1 teaspoon of tamarind paste, 1 teaspoon lemon juice, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. We don't want our chutney to be salty, do we? 1 teaspoon sugar free, 1/4 cup water. Blend in a mixer jar to make a smooth chutney. Our idli represents white color, symbolizing peace and truth, guiding us toward harmony and honesty. Our sambar represents saffron color, which stands for courage and sacrifice, inspiring us to face challenges with strength. Our chutney represents green color of growth and prosperity, reminding us of our connection to the land and nature. And finally, the Ashok Chakra stands for progress, justice, and the eternal cycle of life. Don't worry, it's not edible. This Republic Day, let's honor our incredible food culture that connects us all. From the soft idlis to the flavorful sambar and tangy chutney, this dish celebrates the spirit of India's unity in diversity. If you love this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more culinary celebrations. Jaihind and Happy Republic Day. Again, Bharat Mata Ki Jai!